It's your integration seminar. We are about 100 today from all over the world, all our Ardian offices. And I would encourage you to make the most of it because it's a very important moment in the start of your experience within Ardian. Not only to know about Ardian, its expertise, the firm in general, but also about the culture. The networking aspect, the welcoming part of Ardian, being kind to each other, I think it's really part of the DNA, and it's great that we pursue that with the growth of the company.
Growth for the sake of growth is not what we're trying to do. Growing because we're relevant in our markets and we have an offering that's differentiated and people want to do more with us, that's the reasons that you should be growing with a bunch of people who like working for the company and who are happy in their job. Because one thing that I've learned over the years is you have to have fun in what you're doing. You have to enjoy what you're doing. And if you enjoy what you're doing, then you can do it for like 20 years. I just finished my first 20 years at the company, and now I'm looking forward for my next 20 years at the company because I kind of feel like we're still in the early days of Ardian in some way. I still feel that sense of entrepreneurship. So just keep in mind that the possibilities are really limitless, which I think is kind of fun.
I think my favorite part about my job is that collaborative nature of it and working with different people to get the best result for everyone.
I think it means going above and beyond what's expected and being really rigorous with your work, ensuring quality.
You have to make sure that everything is always clear and precise of what you say because it represents the brand.
If I had to wish something for the company and our colleagues, I guess it would be to continue on the path we're already on, continuing delivering expertise, creating value for our investors.
In the first 30 years, we built our foundations, we built our reputations around the world. I think for the next 30 years, the future one is see how we position ourselves in the future.